Hello, welcome to InCav. Today we have a Steris SurgiGraphic 6000. These tables are primarily for use with pain management, cardiovascular, C-arm equipment particularly with the way that it's designed. And we're going to show you how to move it, operate the machine, and I hope you enjoy the video and thank you for joining us. So what we have, it's very basic controls. No, nothing too difficult. The hand controller here is your primary movement, of course. This is where you're going to be using the machine with the patient. Down here, however, in order to operate the machinery, first you have to make sure that it's in the locked position. Right now, it will roll freely. Now, you cannot operate the machine unless it is locked. So you'll have to come down here before you can use the hand controller. And you have a locking mechanism here. You have to hold the one button and then push the locking mechanism. You'll hear it when the motor stops moving. It is now locked. The machine will not move. It's going to stay in place, and now you can actually use the hand control here. Now the hand control is very simple. All you have to do, this right here will actually release the table so you can move it back and forth, side to side, by simply pushing the button down, or the handle. Then you have your home button here, and we'll get back to that here in just a second. We have a lockout button that will allow you to actually use the hand control, or the knob. You want to keep that unlocked to move the machine, and then all you have to do is press the button. This is going to trend upward. And we'll go back down. We got our tilt to both left and right. We have our height, of course, as you can see, up and down. Now once you're done, if you want to return to a level setting, all you have to do is press the home button and it'll take it back to its original default setting. Now again, if you want to move the machine once you're done with the procedure, you have to unlock it. You'll hear the motor running, and then once the motor is completed, you can freely move the machine. All right, thank you for watching. I hope that it was helpful. You can reach us if you have any interest in sales or service on any of the products that we provide, or if you simply just want to browse what we have at the bottom, as you can see. And thank you very much again for your